Welcome to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. My name is Paul Ludwig, and this video is going to cover getting started creating your own post processors. Step one, we'll be going to camworks.com/universal-post-generator and downloading the UPG. Now that we have our Universal Post Generator, or UPG, installed and launched, we can start the process of creating our post processor. We're going to click New Source, Mill, and in this case, I'm just going to pick a FANUC, and then we can see that we have the controller type as well as different controller names already in there. I'm just going to go ahead and pick a generic one to get started. Now that we've started the process, we have several tabs across the top. These are going to indicate what type of operations and toolpaths we would like to control. So for instance, if I click Mill 3D, this allows me to change what that looks like. I can click on any of these boxes. I'm going to get a preview at the bottom of what the G code is going to look like. This carries over to our setup, post operations, and different sections as well. As I select the different sections, I get a list, and then I can select, for example, the initial tool change. This is what that G code will look like, and then I have tools in the bottom in order to edit what that G code will look like. A PDF writer's reference is also included with the installation of the UPG. This is a large document separated by different chapters. This allows you to go in and learn what options are available and how to leverage them. All of these tools together will have you on your way creating your own post processor. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.